So first we're going to start off with our black beans and corn and butter. Let that cook. Add in your choice of seasoning. I decided to do onion powder, garlic powder, and Lori's seasoning salt. Then you want to mix that up, let it get nice and soft, let the seasonings come together. Then you want to add in your walnuts. Depending on how much meat you want to make, you want to add in your mushrooms as well. I set this in some water and I let it soak for a little bit. You want to place that in the blender along with a small amount of chicken broth, and you want to pulse this. Don't mix it, otherwise it will become very mushy. You want it to imitate the texture of meat. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and flavor your meat with some taco seasoning and about 1/3 cup of water, and then you just prepare your taco salad. And when I tell you guys, this was so good, so good. Very tasty. It gave the texture of meat, and with the taco seasoning, it gave you a nice flavor as well. This was my first meal of the day, and I actually had 2 bowls of this because I really enjoyed it, and I think you all will too. Let me know what you think. So I'm just gonna let this play, give y'all a good video, a little close-up of my dish because it was absolutely bomb. So I know you guys know that I've been doing keto for a while, and I'm trying to eliminate meat. I haven't had meat in about a month now, so this is like a keto vegetarian type dish. So yeah, I've seen a lot of benefits by eliminating meat. I have and cheese as well. I've been not eliminating lactose, but limiting lactose, and I've eliminated meat. So this will be most of my dishes now will be more plant-based, but we'll still be hitting our targets for our protein, our fat, and our carbs, of course. So if you guys like it, I hope you will share it and leave me with some feedback.